This is a short video about how to put together your clarinet and saxophone mouthpiece. Here are the three parts that you need. This is the mouthpiece, the reed and the ligature. We'll start with the reed. So you will notice that your reed has two sides to it. There's a flat, smooth side and a more bumpy, uneven side. The top of the reed is very thin and fragile, and the bottom is much thicker. Always hold your reed by the bottom because the top is very thin and it will break easily. Now take your mouthpiece. You need to place the flat side of the reed against the back of the mouthpiece up against the hole, like this. Make sure that the reed is straight and goes all the way to the top without sticking over the top, like that. And you want to make sure that you don't have a big gap between the top of the reed and the mouthpiece. Once you are happy that you have your reed lined up properly, you then need to take your ligature. Before you put the ligature on, you need to just make sure that the screws have been loosened. There are two ends to the ligature, the narrow opening at the top and the wider opening at the bottom. You need to place your ligature over the top with the wider end first, like this, so it fits perfectly. If you place it with the narrow end first, the ligature will not fit. Once you have put your ligature on, make sure you line up your reed again so that it is straight, and then you can tighten the screws. Don't make the screws too tight, just enough so that the reed is secure. And there you have it. You are ready to start.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit that bell to get notified every single time we post a new video. To help you practice for your next Trinity, ABRSM or Rock School exam, check out the rest of our channel and watch more great pieces. Of course, if you have any ideas for new videos you want us to create, leave them in the comments. We love to read them and get your feedback. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for your suggestions, keep watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, learn, play, repeat.